Project, we did the native pollinator host plant survey at Texas A&M. Our group members include Bailey Sides, Brooke Beatty, Chessie Wilson, Jake Duderstadt, Hannah Williams, and Gabby Morris. Were that we wanted to collect data and define where and which milkweed in the gardens were most attractive to the monarchs. This is achieved by going to the gardens and looking for where monarchs were resting. Our medium-term provided our partners at the gardens a map of where the milkweed is located and to gain an idea of where to look for them before they begin their journey south. Our long term was to be able to use the data collected to provide insight on where to plant and which milkweed to plant to attract monarchs. By doing so, this goal can help create the gardens to be a large stop for monarchs on their migration south. The group is aiming to develop a landscape of the milkweed plants and other host plants that monarchs typically visit to pollinate. We then will collect specimens of each plant and map where each plant was located. We are doing this to create an idea of which plants tend to attract monarchs more than others. We hope that through our project we will also learn how to more effectively work as a group and collectively learn more about monarchs. Essentially, our group wanted to ensure we were staying in contact on a regular basis, so we met every Sunday at West Campus Library at 5 p.m. and take individual trips to the gardens. Due to an early cold spell, it hindered our data as we saw a lot of forage die off. We kept in contact through GroupMe as well as shared Google documents to pull data. Our plans included keeping track of the type of milkweed, where the monarchs were, all while taking pictures. Activities were included in what were our executions, such as going to the gardens or the library. Adaptations had to be made when a lot of plants died, which also led to monarchs being farther south than College Station. Monarchs were located on milkweed and oriental peppers at the gardens. We were able to find a large population of monarchs the first week of the project, but began to slowly decline as temperatures dropped. The gardens purposely distributed milkweed throughout, especially a lot being found in the natural forage area, as well as the garden specifically dedicated to butterflies. All of these pictures seen here were actually taken by our group members at the Texas A&M Gardens. I think it would be really fun for Texas A&M to begin educational exhibits about monarchs and their unique life cycle and migratory patterns. By beginning to plant for milkweed and other attractive plants, placing butterfly nets within the gardens for people to interact with them would be fun, as well as enclosed exhibits showcasing a caterpillar hatching from a cocoon into a butterfly.